shaping your career. The job interview. The job interview is your chance to make a strong first impression and show that you are the right person for the job. But what are employers really looking for? They want to see your communication skills, your attitude, your experience, and how well you understand the company. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to feel confident and prepared. Let's get started. Let's talk about preparation, because this is where real success begins. Before any interview, you should learn as much as possible about the company. Visit their official website, explore their mission, their values, and what kind of projects they're working on. You can also check their social media or news article to get updated information. Why does this matter? Because the more you know about the company, the more confident and relevant your answers will be. You can match your answers to what they care about. For example, if a company values innovation, you can mention experiences where you've contributed creative ideas. This helps you show that you're not just looking for any job, you're interested in their company specifically. Instead of saying general things, you can adjust your answer to show that you're a great fit for their team. Second, take a good look at your resume. Make sure you remember what you wrote, especially about your experience, education, and achievements. If the interviewer asks about something on your CV, you should be ready to explain it clearly and confidently. Third, practice answering common interview questions. You don't need to memorize a script, but having an idea of what to say can help you feel less nervous. Practice speaking aloud. You can record yourself or ask a friend or family member to act as the interviewer. This helps you to get used to talking smoothly and clearly. Finally, think about what you wear. Your outfit should match the professional tone of the job you're applying for. Formal shirt, clean shoes, and neat hair. These small things speak a lot about your seriousness. Even if the interview is online, make sure you still dress properly and check your background and internet connection. A clean, quiet space shows that you're well prepared. Let's now go through 5 common job interview questions and how to answer them effectively. These are questions that appear in almost every interview, no matter what job you apply for. Being prepared can help reduce nervousness and show that you're serious about the opportunity. This is usually the first question. Don't tell your full life story. Focus on your education, work experience, and 1 or 2 key skills. Example, I'm a fresh graduate from the Faculty of Business. During my studies, I volunteer as an event coordinator and also work part-time as a barista. These roles help me build strong time management and people skills. Now I'm looking for an opportunity where I can grow and contribute to a dynamic team. This question checks if you've done your research. Instead of saying, because I know the job, show that you're interested in their company. Example, I admire your company's commitment to sustainability and innovation. I read about your recent campaign on eco-friendly packaging, and it really inspired me. I love to contribute to a company that makes a positive impact. A good answer like this shows you care about being part of their team. This is a question that tests your self-awareness. When sharing a strength, don't just say it. Expand it with a short story. Example strength. I'm very organized. In my last project, I created a schedule that helped our team meet the deadline 1 week early. When it comes to weaknesses, be honest, but also show that you're working on it. Example weakness. I used to be shy when speaking in groups, but I've been taking part in team discussion more often, and now I feel more confident sharing ideas. The key is to choose a real weakness that won't affect the job too much and show that you're actively improving. This makes you sound mature and commit to self-growth. This is where the STAR method helps. S for situation, T for task, A for action, and R for result. Example: last semester, our group project leader dropped out suddenly. I stepped in to coordinate the team, divided the task, and we completed the project on time. The lecturer even used our work as an example for the next class. This kind of answer shows leadership, problem solving, and teamwork. This question is not about predicting the future perfectly, it's about showing that you have planned. Example: in 5 years, I hope to be in a more senior role in sales or marketing, having led successful campaigns and developed skills in leadership and analytics. I am committed to growing step by step and would love to do that in a company like yours. This shows ambitions, loyalty, and clear goals. These are just 5 of the most common questions, but there are many more. Try writing your answers and practicing them out loud. You don't have to memorize them word for word, but the more comfortable you get, the more confident you sound. Let's take a look at some important do's and don'ts to help you leave the best impression. Do's: smile and greet the interview politely. A simple "good morning, nice to meet you" can go a long way. Make eye contact. This shows confidence and interest. Sit with good posture and stay attentive. Listen carefully to question and take a second to think before your answer. Don'ts: don't arrive late. Don't interrupt the interviewer while they are speaking. Don't speak negatively about your previous job or boss, even if it was a bad experience. And finally, don't forget to say thank you at the end. Appreciation leaves a lasting impression. Now, let's see what a real job interview might look like. We'll show you 2 short versions. The first one shows what not to do, and the second one shows what to do right. Good morning. Let's have a seat. Yeah, morning. Tell me about yourself. I don't know what to say. I guess I like watching movies, and I really need this job. Why do you want to work with us? I mean, I just need a job, any job, really. In this example, the candidates show poor body language, no preparation, and little interest in the company. This creates a bad first impression, and interviewers will likely move on to the next candidate. Good morning, please have a seat. Good morning, thank you for having me. Tell me about yourself. I'm a recent graduate in management and I completed an internship in customer service. I enjoy helping people and solving problems, which is why I'm really excited about this position. Why do you want to work here? I follow your company's work for a while. I admire your focus on customer satisfaction and how you support employee growth. I love to be a part of that culture. See the difference? The second candidate was polite, prepared, and confident. That's the kind of impression that makes interviewers remember you in a good way. We're now reached the end of this video, and I hope you feel more confident and ready for your job interview. Here's something important to remember. It's okay to be nervous. Everyone gets nervous, whether it's your first interview or your 50th. What matters most is how you prepare and how you show up. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be real, respectful, and ready to learn. Each interview is a new chance, not just to get the job, but to grow. If one interview doesn't work out, take it as training for the next one. Because eventually, the right opportunity will come, and you'll be ready. So believe in yourself, speak clearly, smile confidently, and remember all the effort you've put in. You've already taken the first step by watching this video and preparing yourself. That shows commitment, and that's something employers really value. Thank you so much. Wherever you go next, I'm wishing you the best of luck in your career journey.